this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Si7021 temperature and humidity sensor to your Raspberry Pi. Okay, first we're going to connect the Si7021 temperature and humidity sensor to the Raspberry Pi using the GPIO pins. Then we're going to install the required library. After that, we're going to display readings like so. You'll be able to see live readings inside of your terminal. After we display the readings, I'm going to demonstrate how this would be used in a real-world example using a Flask application that will display live readings of the current temperature and humidity. All of the instructions will be provided in the GitHub link in the description down below. Okay, let's get started. Adafruit and scroll down to datasheets and schematics. We're going to go to assembly. Make sure that you soldered everything up correctly, and now we're going to put this on the breadboard and hook it up to the GPIO pins. We're going to be following this diagram for the wiring. Here's the sensor, and on the back we have female to female wires. So we're going to connect these now to the GPIO pins. First, we're going to connect the power to right here, top left. Next, we need to ground this, so we'll put it into pin number 6. Now connect the yellow wire to the Pi SCL, so that's this one right here, the third one. And the last one is going to be the SDA, which will be pin number 3. Once everything is hooked up properly, you should see a green light on your sensor. And here's what we have. It's basically like an L shape up here. So now we're done setting up the sensor. Now we're going to do everything remotely using an SSH connection. And let's SSH into the Raspberry Pi now. Go into your desktop and make a new folder called Si7021. And CD into there. Now we need to install the Adafruit CircuitPython Si7021 library. So let's go to this GitHub link and install this for all the users. Copy command, paste in. Now we need to enable the I2C for the Raspberry Pi. So type in sudo raspi config, select option number 3, and enable the I2C. Now we're going to copy this example code and paste it into a Python file. So we just call this main.py, and save that. So now we have this Python file. Now we're going to run this. There we go. There's our temperature readings. So here we import the necessary libraries, the board, the Adafruit Si7021 library. We create this object called sensor, and this is reading the current readings using the I2C ports right here. And then we're in the infinite while loop, and what we're doing is just printing out the temperature using sensor.temperature, and then we print out humidity using sensor.relative humidity. After that, we wait 2 seconds, and then we display the results again. That's pretty much what I wanted to cover in this tutorial, just basically reading the temperature and humidity and displaying it to the console. If you want to go a step further, you can make a Flask application, which is what I did. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.